Hello, this is Edward Lambert with another video about the 6-element model for acupuncture. And this video is going to be about the element seed and recognizing seeds. This is like part 1 of 3 videos that are going to be talking about the element seed and a broader understanding of what it is and how it functions and where it comes from and what it relates to. And so let's get started here with recognizing seeds. The meridians Sanjiao and pericardium are not completely understood in modern theory of acupuncture. 6-element theory greatly develops the understanding of these meridians. In 5-element theory, you have 4 meridians in the element fire, when all other elements have only 2. A clear and definite distinction must be made with the other meridians of the fire element, heart and small intestine. In Chinese medicine, the elements originally referred to phases of transformation in nature. The phases show how elements transform into each other in a cycle of creation. For example, in the sequence of elements, earth comes after fire. This is seen as molten lava fire shooting out of a volcano with red-hot flaming embers. Then it flies and lands, it cools down, turning into rock, earth. As the rock cools, it gives off gases, metal, and so on. Once elements are created and exist side by side, they begin to interact with each other in many ways. Lava will flow into the ocean, deserts form in one area with rainforests in another. The sun shines into the ocean. The seasons pass from cold to hot. All this can happen with no life. However, there is one element that is alive, wood. Of all the commonly used elements, wood is the only one that is living, meaning that wood represents living tissue. The original word in Chinese for this element is mu, which translates as tree. Trees are living beings. Fire, earth, metal, and water are the 4 raw elements that existed before life began on earth. Wood appeared after life was created, but life, represented by wood, did not just magically appear amidst these other 4 elements. How did the element wood appear? There was another phase of transformation that brought wood into being among the 4 elements. This other phase of transformation harmonized and incubated the creation of life. It was from this incubation that life appeared. It is essential to realize that life did not just appear out of water. Wood did not just sprout out of the water flowing across the land. The water had to come to rest and sit for a long period of time. The water had to go through a maturation process, wherein the elements went through a phase of transformation that allowed them to coalesce into life. The elements had to go through this maturation phase in order for wood to sprout and for life to appear on the earth. The element phase of maturation that occurred before the appearance of wood is seed. The element seed symbolizes the powerful yet quiet transformations that took place within the primordial soup. Understanding this seed phase is what separates 6-element theory from 5-element theory. Now, when you think about the primordial soup, there's no seed there. Seeds weren't developed. Life was being created. But the environment was as a seed, where you have this vision formulating within this soup, creating and guiding molecules in directions from the seed element and the presence of the seed element unifying the other elements together with this vision. And this vision organizes the molecules. How does that happen? One of the mysteries of life. Seeds represent a distinct phase not only in the cycle of the elements, but also in the cycle of life. There would be no wood, no trees, no living beings without seeds. There would be no offspring. There would be no evolution. There would be no life. The evolution of the seed element has led to higher forms of life. In the cycle of nature, it is obvious that seeds have a place in element transformation, a very deep place that is. So when you really come to understand 6-element theory, you really come to understand profound element transformations beyond what we can actually see in front of our eyes in the world around us.